Did you know that not all fats are created equal? Some fats are essential for optimal health. They provide energy, support cell function, and protect our organs. One such fat, often hailed as liquid gold, is olive oil. For centuries, olive oil has been a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. This dietary pattern is renowned for its health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. Olive oil, with its rich flavor and impressive nutrient profile, plays a key role in this equation. While many people shy away from fat, fearing weight gain and health problems, it's time to reconsider. Olive oil, consumed in moderation, can be a powerful ally in your pursuit of well-being. It's time to embrace the delicious and healthful world of olive oil. Olive oil is more than just a cooking oil. It's a cultural icon, a symbol of tradition and heritage. In the Mediterranean region, it's woven into the fabric of life, deeply embedded in the daily routines and culinary practices of the people. From drizzling it over fresh salads to using it in traditional recipes passed down through generations, olive oil is revered for its flavor and health-giving properties. It's a staple in kitchens, adding a touch of authenticity and richness to every dish. This golden liquid is extracted from the fruit of the olive tree, a process that has been perfected over centuries. Unlike refined oils that undergo extensive processing, extra virgin olive oil is produced using simple mechanical methods. This ensures that the oil retains its natural qualities and purity. This preserves its natural antioxidants and flavor compounds, making it a nutritional powerhouse. The integrity of the oil is maintained, offering a product that is both delicious and beneficial. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid, which is known for its health benefits. These healthy fats have been linked to a range of health benefits, including improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Regular consumption of olive oil can contribute to a healthier lifestyle, but the benefits of olive oil extend far beyond its fat profile. It's a versatile ingredient that enhances both food and wellness. It's also a good source of vitamins E and K, as well as potent antioxidants. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining overall health, making olive oil a valuable addition to any diet. For years, fat has been demonized. Low-fat diets became all the rage, and people were encouraged to avoid fat at all costs. However, this fear of fat is misguided. Our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. The problem isn't fat itself, but rather the type of fat we consume. Saturated and trans fats found in many processed foods and fried items can have detrimental effects on our health. These fats can raise cholesterol levels, increase the risk of heart disease, and contribute to weight gain. Olive oil, on the other hand, is predominantly composed of monounsaturated fats. These fats have been shown to have beneficial effects on cholesterol levels, reducing LDL or bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL or good cholesterol. They also help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. It's a complex condition influenced by genetics, lifestyle factors, and diet. While there is no single magic bullet to prevent heart disease, incorporating olive oil into your daily routine can be a significant step in the right direction. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil have been extensively studied for their heart protective effects. They help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation in blood vessels, and prevent blood clots. These factors all contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Moreover, olive oil is a good source of polyphenols. These powerful antioxidants protect against oxidative stress, a process that damages cells and contributes to the development of chronic diseases like heart disease. By neutralizing free radicals, polyphenols help keep your arteries healthy and reduce your risk of heart problems. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our bodies heal and fight infection. However, chronic, low-grade inflammation can be detrimental to our health. It's linked to a wide range of diseases, including heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and arthritis. Olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Oleocanthal works in a similar way to ibuprofen, a common over-the-counter pain reliever. It blocks the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, reducing pain and swelling. Studies have shown that regular consumption of olive oil can reduce markers of inflammation in the body. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions like arthritis. By reducing inflammation, olive oil may help alleviate pain, improve joint function, and slow down the progression of the disease. Section 6, the antioxidant powerhouse. Our bodies are constantly under attack from free radicals. These unstable molecules are generated during normal metabolic processes, as well as through exposure to environmental toxins like pollution and cigarette smoke. When free radicals outnumber antioxidants in the body, it leads to oxidative stress. Oxidative stress damages cells, proteins, and DNA, contributing to aging and the development of chronic diseases. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting our bodies from their harmful effects. Olive oil is a good source of several antioxidants, including vitamin E, polyphenols, and phytosterols. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cell membranes from damage. Polyphenols, as mentioned earlier, also have potent antioxidant properties. Phytosterols, found in plant foods like olive oil, have been shown to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Section 7, the science speaks olive oil and longevity. While the individual components of olive oil are impressive, it's the synergistic effect of these nutrients that makes it truly remarkable. The combination of monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds work together to provide numerous health benefits. Numerous studies have linked olive oil consumption to a lower risk of chronic diseases and increased longevity. These studies suggest that incorporating olive oil into your daily diet can have profound effects on your overall health and well-being. One study, published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, followed over 90,000 healthy individuals for 26 years. The long-term nature of this study provides robust evidence supporting the health benefits of olive oil. The researchers found that those who consumed the most olive oil had a 19% lower risk of dying from any cause compared to those who rarely or never consumed olive oil. This significant reduction in mortality risk highlights the potential life-extending properties of olive oil. Another study, published in the journal Neurology, found that older adults who followed a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil had a lower risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. This suggests that olive oil not only benefits physical health, but also supports mental health and cognitive function. The researchers believe that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of olive oil may help protect the brain from damage. These properties can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key factors in the development of many chronic diseases, including neurodegenerative conditions. Section 8. Embrace the olive oil habit. Adding olive oil to your daily routine is simple and delicious. It's a versatile ingredient that can enhance the flavor of many dishes. Here are a few easy ways to incorporate this liquid gold into your diet. Drizzle it over salads. This not only adds a rich flavor but also brings out the freshness of the vegetables. Skip the creamy dressings and opt for a simple vinaigrette made with extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and herbs. This combination is not only healthier but also incredibly tasty. Use it for cooking. Olive oil is a healthy and flavorful choice for sautéing, roasting, and baking. It can withstand high temperatures, making it perfect for various cooking methods. Add it to soups and stews. A small amount can elevate the taste and add a layer of richness. A drizzle of olive oil adds richness and flavor to your favorite comfort foods. It can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. Enjoy it as a dip. Olive oil pairs wonderfully with a variety of breads. Pair olive oil with crusty bread, olives, and other Mediterranean snacks. This makes for a delightful and healthy appetizer. When choosing olive oil, opt for extra virgin olive oil. This type is less processed and retains more of the natural flavors and nutrients. This unrefined variety is the highest quality and boasts the most robust flavor and nutritional profile. It's the best choice for both taste and health benefits. Look for olive oil that's stored in dark glass bottles to protect it from light and heat, which can degrade its quality. Proper storage ensures that you get the most out of your olive oil. Section 9. Your journey to wellness starts now. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step you can take to improve your health and well-being. From its heart-healthy fats to its potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil is a true gift from nature. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. Start by incorporating small amounts of olive oil into your diet and gradually increase your intake over time. Your body will thank you for it. For more tips on healthy aging and to explore the world of natural wellness, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're here to guide you on your journey to a healthier, happier you.